Look no further than the 2025 Subaru Outback. This comfortable and connected Outback answers the call of your adventurous spirit. Loaded with passenger amenities, this versatile compact SUV is eager to hit the road or the trail so you can follow your heart's desire. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, premium sound system, power liftgate, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, power passenger seat. Get the capability you've been dreaming of in this Outback. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.